Hello, my name is Giselle Turpores and I am Program Director of Early Childhood Studies at Swansea University. What degrees do we offer at Swansea University? Early Childhood Studies with Foundation Year, Early Childhood Studies, and Early Childhood Studies with Early Years Practitioner Year status. In all our Early Childhood Studies degrees, we offer a holistic approach to understanding children from birth to 8 years of age. And also, children are viewed as capable and competent members of society. What is the main difference between our programs? Basically, it's about placement hours. In Early Childhood Studies degree with Early Years Practitioner Year status, students spend 700 hours on placement across the degree. And that, of course, enables students to qualify with the Early Years Practitioner Year status displayed by Social Care Wales. All our students share modules and have this possibility of bringing theory into practice. Students also have academic mentors to support you during the degree. And students on placement also have the possibility of being assessed, observed, and provided by feedback by academic mentors. Lecturers in our degrees are very engaging in providing the best support for your learning process. Lecturers are researchers with experience also in practice at a national and international level and are very welcome to provide you and give you the best support for your experience.